Namaste friends. Hope you all are alright by the grace of Almighty. I welcome you in my YouTube channel Long Live Homeopathy. So today we are going to discuss about the pediatric problems due to change of weather. Weather causes a lot of problems to children and the best homeopathic medicines for them. Seasonal changes affect children's immunity very easily. Common problem increases during weather change, like common cold and cough. Symptoms: running or blocked nose, sneezing, dry or productive cough, cough worse at night. Best homeopathic medicines are aconite in case sudden cold after exposure to cold wind, Allium cepa, sudden cold, watery nasal discharge, and frequent sneezing. So Allium cepa is one of the best remedy. Antim tart, chest full of mucus, child looks very dull. Chest is very full of mucus and child looks very dull. So Antim-Tart is the best medicine for them. Drosera, night cough and spasmodic cough. If it is there, then Drosera is the best medicine. What is the potency? The potency should be not more than 12 or 30. 2 drops 3 to 4 times a day in little bit half cup of water or lukewarm water. Second one is fever due to weather change. The symptoms are sudden onset of fever, fever with cold or cough, chill or heat sensitivity. So, what are the medicines? Medicines are belladonna, sudden high fever, red face, and hot skin. Face is always red, becomes red. Sudden high fever. So, in sudden high fever, belladonna is one of the best medicine. Ferrum phos, mild fever, early stage. So, ferrum phos is one of the best medicine along with calimure. 6x. 2 tablets each, ferrum phos and calimure. Melt in the water, lukewarm water, and give 2, 3, 4 spoonful every hourly. Next medicine is gelsemium, fever with weakness and drowsiness in children. If child becomes drowsy and fever and weakness, then gelsemium is one of the best medicine. Third one is diarrhea and vomiting. In case of diarrhea and vomiting, loose stools during season change, offensive stool, vomiting with weakness. So these are the symptoms. The medicines are podophyllum, early morning profuse diarrhea, chamomilla, diarrhea with irritability, very irritable child, arsenic album, food poisoning or exhaustion. So these are the medicines for diarrhea in weather change. Potency 12C, 2 drops in lukewarm water 3 to 4 times a day. In case of tonsillitis, sore throat, symptoms: throat pain, difficulty in swelling, recurrent tonsillitis. Before all, try to give bacillinium or tuberculinium 1 mg every alternate day or in 3 days. Then the medicines are, supporting medicines are, they will work very well if you will give tuberculinium or bacillinium. Hypersulfur, pain aggravated by cold air. Belladonna, red inflamed throat. Bradacarb, recurrent tonsillitis in children. So friends, for the tonsillitis and sore throat, these are the medicines, and potency should be 30 or 12. Allergic, wheezing, asthma-like symptoms. The symptoms arise like sneezing, nasal allergy, wheezing, breathing difficulty during weather change. Medicines are arsenic album. The symptoms of arsenic album is restless, breathing difficulty at night. So arsenic album is one of the best remedy. The second one is ipecac, persistent cough with wheezing. Then third medicine is natrum sulph, asthma worse in damp weather. Natrum sulph, asthma worse in damp weather. Ipecac, persistent cough with wheezing. Arsenic album, restlessness, breathing difficulty at night. Friends, there are some important advice. As you know, that homeopathic medicine depends on the mind symptom and the physical symptom. So, always consult a qualified homeopathic physician just nearby for correct remedy and potency. Do not self-medicate in infants. Maintain proper hydration and nutrition. Give sufficient quantity of water. So friends, today it's over. Be with me. I used to bring such type of videos every day. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.